The Southern African Development Community SADC leaders, who will meet in Harare in August, should pressure the Zimbabwean government to restrain the military from its brazen interference in the country's politics and elections, an international human rights organization says. Achiperi mushe mune Zimbabwe tikunoona kuti international organization inopindira panhau yekuti aiwa military yenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa iri kupindira panhau dzepolitics dzenyika vachiti kana SADC ichinge yazouya paSADC summit it must address these issues. Sanapinda mashoko avantora vachiendera mberi noti subscribe or like otina on the bell icon. Tipinda the news okusanyara vachiti Human Rights Watch Africa Advocacy Director Allen Ngari said on June 29, 2024, the Zimbabwe National Army Commander, Lieutenant General Ansalem Sanyatwe, was quoted as saying that people would be marched to polling stations whether you like it or not, and that the ruling party ZANU-PF would rule forever. Since the August 2023 general elections, in which ZANU-PF failed to win an outright majority in parliament, the country has witnessed several by-elections in constituencies where opposition members of the parliament were dismissed in a bizarre play. Ndo mwashiko ari kubuda panapa tuna news okusochiti aiwa kana SADC summit ikava possible kana ikakwanisa kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe, SADC it must address these issues. Tudze mavhungiro enyu munoti kudi pamusoro aiwa patiri kuona kuti Human Rights Watch inoitaura mashoko akadai. Mina comment section medu sauna subscribe kulike chinotina on the bell icon.